a solution to that situation. Now let's talk about politics. Baringo Senator Gideon Moi was in Elgeyo Marakwet County seeking to galvanize support for his presidential candidature as well as that of his party KANU. Moi, who made various stopovers from Tambach, culminating in a rally in Iten, called on the residents to hold those in governance to account by electing leaders who will best represent their interests. Ibrahim Karanja was in Elgeyo Marakwet County and compiled the following report.
Seeking to jostle his way through the vote-rich Rift Valley region, Baringo Senator and KANU presidential flag-bearer Gideon Moi Saturday ventured into Elgeyo Marakwet County in a Meet the People tour starting from Tambach to Iten town. Moi made roadside stopovers telling the crowds of locals of his quest and the need for a paradigm shift in the leadership of the country. The KANU chair, who is among principals of the One Kenya Alliance, reiterating the need for the citizens to be in full control of the government by electing their qualified and competent leaders with a proven track record.
Simpole, Kenya inahitaji rais na inahitaji rais mnyenyekevu, inahitaji rais na inahitaji rais ambaye anajali maslahi ya vijana, anajali maslahi ya nani? Na huyo rais ni nani?
Speaking at one of the country's food baskets, Senator Moi said that there was need for a guaranteed minimum return for all agricultural investment. He also reiterated his tough stand against corruption, promising that if elected, his government will root out pilferage of public resources.
Mali ya umma ambayo mali ni zenu. Wale ambao wanapora alafu nyinyi kuwe maskini. Sukui tagina mwache serikali kama mwao ondo.
The senator had earlier sought to retrace his roots as he visited Tambach Boys High School, which he said had a relationship with the Moi family since 1948, when the late President Daniel Arap Moi joined the school as a teacher, rising through the ranks to being a deputy principal.
Things started from Tambach until where he reached in his life. And it was so gratifying that his last public Harambe, he did it from where all began. It is here in 2014.
Ibrahim Karanja, KTN News.
Leaders from the One Kenya Alliance continued with their campaigns in the western region, led by